Okay, y'all. Sorry about that. How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am simplikeii. So we are going to end 2018 with a couple of my faves. So, and this will be showcasing my favorite wigs of 2018. So you guys know that I really don't wear my natural hair out at all anymore. I keep it under wigs, and I just want to share some of my I'm going to share my top 5 wigs with you for 2018. These are my absolute faves. These are wigs that I will be repurchasing, will always repurchase, will always buy in bundle and in bulk. Just because I want to make sure my backup got backup and that I don't run out of these particular wigs, because they are my absolute positively favorite wigs ever. So my most favorites of 2018, my number one favorite. No, we're gonna go back. We're gonna start at 5, and then we'll go with my number one fave. So my number 5 unit of 2018, when you want something simple, classy, and cute, and you want something curly and short and sweet, I am loving ด๊abanFᎬ. She comes in so many colors, but I am loving her here. The 4th top unit that I was loving for 2018 and will definitely be repurchasing again is Boutique Deep in the color, I think it's 99J Burgundy, and it is right here. What I loved about Donna and Boutique Deep is by Sensational. What I loved about both of these wigs were they were curly wigs. They came in beautiful colors. The color mix of both of these units were well blended together. I just thought they were, for Donna, she was all around wig. I love wigs that can go well in any type of setting, and she was just Donna was one of those wigs. Boutique Deep was definitely one of those wigs. She could go well in any type of setting. She was a little longer, but just the curls on it was really, really amazing. She was really pretty. My number 3 top wig for 2018, I would have to say, is Italian Curl. I'm loving curly wigs, number 1, but she's a pretty curl, and over time this hair it elongates for some reason, and the curls drop, and it just gets more and more beautiful. Yes, it does tangle, but not as bad as you think it would. A lot of these units, if you put a little mousse in them and kind of rub your hands through them, they kind of tend to not tangle as much. I do use Shea Moisture's mousse for all my wigs. But Italian Curl, I love her in a 1B because of the sleekness. I do wear her as a middle part. She's just sexy as a middle part. As you can see, Donna was a side part. Boutique Deep is a middle part, but she's also a free part wig, meaning you can switch her either which way. I just wanted Boutique Deep for middle part, as well as Italian Curl. Number 2 wig of 2018 is Yara. I have Yara, and not just any Yara. It's the Yara, not the Yara Sleek, but the Yara Yaki, the texture one. I have her in all the colors: blonde, blue, green. I think the only color I don't have her in is red. I have her in every color you could think of. Yara really showed out with this unit. This is another sleek unit that you can wear in any setting, and she'll fit right in because she's just that perfect. She's definitely one of those rebuys that you have to keep in your arsenal. I know a lot of people like the sleek version. I like the more textured version. The lace on it is amazing. It's just a really nice blunt vibe, and that is one of my favorite blunt cut vibes, or just blunt cut wigs, period. µ๊abbybos really did their thing. µ๊abbybos has really been doing their thing on a lot of their units. So if you're not familiar with µ๊abbybos, don't sleep on their units. They have amazing wigs. Sensational sometimes is a hit and miss, but when they come through, they show out. µ๊aূtre is always going to be they always come out with the most bomb wigs. And I know it's crazy because a lot of people thought that I would pick Penny and my Penny 26 in my top 5. And although I absolutely love Penny, I was looking for more units that work in any type of setting, and Penny is a lot longer than a lot of the units that I gave you for this year. And I don't think Penny is one of those units you can wear in any type of situation. Penny is for a situation. So yeah. So my number 1 top pick of 2018 when it comes to wigs, and I may be biased, but I'm just saying, is this baby I got on, which is by Bobby Boss, and her name is Celeste, and I have her wearing her now in a 1B, but I do have her in a turquoise blue as well as a cute blonde mix. She looks absolutely gorgeous as a blonde mix, and I hate that I only got 3 of these units. I do plan on getting at least 10 of her for the end of the year, just to make sure I'm stocked up on her, because as you can see, baby is amazing. Get into the hairline. Now, I did not put anything on this. I could have probably bleached the knots if I wanted to, but this hair looks good and it looks fine just the way it is. It looks as if it's melted onto my head. It looks amazing. You can use baby hairs. It does have baby hairs, but I choose not to use it. This is one of those units that you can wear as a middle part. You can part it on this side and wear it as other left side part. I chose my right side. She is just one of those bomb, awesome, amazing must-have units. The hair feels like it feels like some bundle hair. Like, this hair don't tangle. When I say it don't tangle, this hair don't tangle. But it don't tangle on me. I don't know if I got a good batch of wood, but I will say, y'all know I tell y'all when some hair tangle, but this hair has not tangled since I got this hair. This is really some amazing hair. What I'm filming. This is really some amazing hair. Like I said, I love the hairline. No, this is not glued to my head. This just look like it's glued to my head, and it's just freaking amazing. As you can see, it's not, because it's slipped in right there, but it's just amazing. And I actually caught this unit on sale. I got this unit for like 16 bucks on one site and 13 on another site, because I was looking for those particular colors. And now that I have this unit in my arsenal, I would definitely, like I said at the beginning of the year, purchase 10 more of these, because the parting is on point. I love that flip. This is one of those wigs you can wear, like I said, in any type of setting, and it'll look amazing, and it'll look beautiful on you. You could play with this bang and kind of make it really kind of dope, but I like it how I wear it. So those are my top 5 units of 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and definitely go check out these units if you're interested. If you've seen any unit that I showed you in this video and you say, hey, I think I might like it, definitely go check them out. I typically go to Wig Types, Go Beauty New York, Hair to Beauty, those are applamistress or divatress. Those are my main wig sites when I'm ordering wigs. Y'all know I don't go to nobody beauty store and order not one wig, because they too expensive. But yes, you can always catch a sale on either one of these sites. They have reasonable, affordable prices for these units. And like I said, I hate that I did not buy this hair in bulk, because this really feels like some Russian, Peruvian type hair. It feels really, really good. It feels like bundles in your head. So I'm gonna get out of here. I hope everybody has a happy new year, and I will see you guys in 2019. So remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember, simply key will always say you're beautiful because you simply are. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.